Hi guys! Again, mamaya gagora kami. Lalabas kami ngayon. So, kaya naman, mayroon akong small bag na dinadala every time na lalabas ako. Maliit lang talaga yung dala ko lagi. So, what's inside? Check it out! Okay guys, so pakita ko sa inyo kung anong laman ng bag ko kada alis ko, kada lalabas ako. So, siguro after 1 year, ngayon lang kami lalabas. O, di ba? Ang tagal, quarantine. Ayan, ito guys, ang aking small bag. So, ano ba ang laman ng aking bag? Tingnan natin. Dito sa isa first na bulsa. Meron ako ditong wire para sa aking power bank. At lagi akong may dalang ballpen, hindi ko alam basta lagi akong may dalang ballpen. And then eto, meron akong dalang laging papel kasi just in case kailangan ko, so meron akong mabubunot na papel. So wala na guys. Balik natin kasi baka makalimutan ko eh. Tapos dito naman sa pangalawa, ayan. Ito ang laman ng aking bag. Maliit talaga yung bag ko. Ito, meron akong dalalaging ganito. So, ang laman niya, guys, is ito, rosary. Bigay pa to sa akin ng mama ko. Nung pagpunta ko dito, 2017. Dala-dala ko na tong rosary. Ayan, bigay sa akin ni mama. Bigay to sa akin ni mama, rosary. Tapos, ito, bigay din to ni mama sa akin, Mama Mary. Ayan. Mga mga binditado to, guys. At saka ito, bigay to sa akin ni mama. Lagi to nasa bag ko every time na aalis ako. Lagi to nandito, matagal na to nandito sa aking pouch. Pouch ba to? Lagyan ng cellphone. Pero ito nakalagay. So, ayan. Tapos, meron din ako laging, nandito to lagi sa aking bag. Matagal na to, guys. Lumang-luma na to, guys, na rosary ko to. Ayan. Tapos, meron akong wallet. Akala mo, daming laman. Laki-laki. Meron akong wallet. Huwag natin pakita. Baka ma-shock kayo. Charot. At meron akong, meron akong hand cream. At meron akong, pulbo. Ano to, guys? Mirror. Ayan. Meron akong salamin. Pero hindi ko naman talaga gamit. Wala lang. Lagi lang ako madalang sarili kasi just in case kailangan ko ng salamin, why not? Meron akong lipstick, maliit na lipstick. At meron akong maliit na perfume. At meron akong power bank. O yun na guys. Yun lang ang laman ng aking bag. Bye! See you!
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines
Tutor pa lang. Yan, gutom na gutom kami. Madam. 7 minutes. Come on. May fry ba to? May pizza? Ayoko tumiti yung libre ko ba kami? Video yan! Oo. Ayan, tapos na kaming lumafa. Gusto ko yung plastic, ate. Ayan. Ano lang to, video lang. Ayan, tapos na kami, guys. Maya-maya lalabas na kami. Anong burger dito, guys? Sa burger chicken. Wala talagang kupa sa burger. Ayan, busog ako, nag-burger. Oo nga. Nagkita-kita kami ngayon. Ayan.